All right, problem number 9 from the chapter 4 Solving Equations Review. Solve the following system using a graphing calculator. So we have y equals x squared minus 3 and y equals the opposite of the absolute value of 1/2 x plus 2. So this is a system of equations. We are going to solve it all on the calculator. And the answer should be something, that's a little bit more complex or a little bit more messy, just so that we can't really solve it as easily algebraically. We want you to be able to use the calculator and understand how to do the different concepts and find solutions and things using the calculator. So you need to make sure you know how to do this skill. Here we go. First one, we have y equals x squared minus 3. Let's go ahead, let's open a new document. You could do it in the Scratchpad too if you want, but I'm just going to open a new graphing page here. And I'm going to type in that first one, y equals x squared minus 3. So we have x squared minus 3. Enter. There's my parabola. And now I'm going to look at number 9 here, which is y equals the opposite of the absolute value of 1/2 x plus 2. So I'm going to press tab. I'm going to put a negative in. And then I'm going to do the absolute value is located in this menu to the right of number 9. Absolute value is right here. So we're going to choose that. We're going to have 1/2 x plus 2. So we have 1 and then half. We've got x plus 2. That's all inside the absolute value there. So now we're going to hit enter. Boom, you'll see that. That's what it's going to give us. So it looks like we have 2 intersection points there. I'm going to take this. I'm going to just, whoops, I thought I could pull this out so we could see it, but maybe we can't. So we'll just go with it here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to need to find the intersection point on these. So we're going to do menu. Then you're going to go to number 6 to analyze graph. Number 4, intersection. So for this intersection point that's about right here, I need to put my boundary line below it, put a second one above it, and then it'll give me the answer is negative 1.28 comma negative 1.36. I'll write that down here real quick. So I had a negative 1.28 comma negative 1.36. And now on to the second one here. So our second one, we're going to say menu, analyze graph, intersection, and then we're going to do the same thing. Got to put it to the left of the intersection point, and then on the right side of it, and then it should give us the answer there, which in this case looks like it is 0.781 comma, and then negative 2.39. So those are the solutions to this system of equations here. We have a parabola and an upside down absolute value function. Those are the 2 points where if we take the input, plug it in, we get the same value out for the outputs there. So this is problem number 9 from the chapter 4 review. Please make sure that if you have any additional questions on this that you ask your teacher. Thanks for watching.